Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about phonics sound. Phonics is the science of sounds. It is the method of teaching beginners to read and pronounce the words. There are 44 unique sounds from 26 alphabets that is separated in two categories with vowels and consonants. 19 sounds refer to vowels and 25 sounds refers to consonants. The phonics sound for alphabet A is H. H. Apple, hand, alligator. The phonics sound for alphabet B is B. B. Banana, balloon, boy, bat. The phonics sound for alphabet C is K. Carrot, cow, cabbage, cat. The phonics sound for alphabet D is D. D. Dog, duck, dolphin. The phonics sound for alphabet E is H. Heck, elephant, H. The phonics sound for alphabet F is flag, fish, fan. The phonics sound for alphabet G is G. G. Grapes, G. Guitar, G. Goat. The phonics sound for alphabet H is hat, horse, hen. The phonics sound for alphabet I is H. Hice, hink, he. The phonics sound for alphabet J is J. J. Jug, juice, jacket. The phonics sound for alphabet K is K. King, kite, kiwi, K. The phonics sound for alphabet L is L. Lotus, lion, leaf, ladybug. The phonics sound for alphabet M is moon, mouse, mango, monkey. The phonics sound for alphabet N is nose, nest, nuts. The phonics sound for alphabet O is H. Orange, octopus, ostrich, H. The phonics sound for alphabet P is P. P. Panda, parrot, pineapple, pumpkin, P. The phonics sound for alphabet Q is Qu. Qu. Queen, quail, quill. The phonics sound for alphabet R is R. Rabbit, rat, radish, R. The phonics sound for alphabet S is S. Sun, snake, snowman, socks. S. The phonics sound for alphabet T is T. Tree, train, tiger, T. The phonics sound for alphabet U is H. Umbrella, uncle. This sound similar to ho. H. The phonics sound for alphabet G is G. G. Grapes, G. Guitar, G. goat. The phonics sound for alphabet W is V. Watch. Watermelon. Will. V. The phonics sound for alphabet X is X. Fox. 6. X. The phonics sound for alphabet Y is Y. Yuck. Yellow. Y. The phonics sound for alphabet Z is Z. Zebra. Zip. Z. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share the video and click the bell icon to receive the notification. Thanks for watching.